How to connect Revolut to Apple Pay. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Revolut account to Apple Pay, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Revolut app. Once the app opens, go to the Cards section located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see all your available cards. Select the Revolut card that you want to connect with Apple Pay. After selecting the card, look for the option that says Add to Apple Wallet and tap on it. My account card is not verified yet, so I am not able to connect it right now. If you got the card verification, then follow the steps. Now, your Apple Wallet will now open automatically. Next, review and accept the Apple Pay terms and conditions. Now, you'll need to verify your card. You may receive a verification code through SMS or confirmation inside the Revolut app. Enter the code or approve the request to complete verification. Once verification is finished, your Revolut card will be successfully added to Apple Pay. You can now make payments using your iPhone or Apple Watch anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. If you don't see the Add to Apple Wallet option, you can open the Apple Wallet app manually and enter your Revolut card details to add it. That's all for the video.